All right, hey traders. All right, we're gonna have a look at the market. Market meltdown update. Let's actually see what's going on here. Yesterday I did a video. Or firstly, guys, do not place trade based on this video. Trading is risky, can cause substantial financial loss. Do not place trade based on what you see in this video. All right. Now moving forward, guys, I did a video yesterday. All right, and I did a video yesterday saying that on the Dow Jones that we are forming a bit of a head and shoulder formation, guys. All right, we're forming a bit of a head and shoulder formation here, and it looks like that we may be getting ready to run down. Now, I said we need confirmation, right? If you guys remember, I said we need confirmation. What is that confirmation? Is we need to get that breakdown first. If you guys remember what I said there. So right now, what have we seen happen on the overall markets here with the Dow Jones? Pretty much nothing, right? Bit of a sideways day, pretty much a nothing day with the actual Dow Jones. So this still can be a head and shoulder formation, guys. We're seeing this very, very, very clearly here. This is the shoulder here. So it is a head and shoulder formation, but we need confirmation to say we're likely to drop down. We do still have that overall lower low through there. So, but once again, guys, we need that confirmation. That breaking of the confirmation. If we do start to get a nice drop down below this low through here, guys, with volume, then we're likely to see that follow through. Same for the S&P 500. What happened to the S&P 500? Pretty much a nothing day, right? Pretty much a sideways day. So once again, guys, if we do see that sell off through there, we're likely to see some follow through coming in. And maybe this Friday, Black Friday, is going to be Black Friday in the market. Maybe that's the way it's going to work out. I don't know. But I'm prepared for this, guys, and I will be putting on a position, but I'm going to wait for this market to come down through here, so we actually can start to, so we can see, once that happens, then I believe we're likely to start seeing this action coming through there. So that's what I do see there, guys, on the S&P 500. Pretty much a nothing day in the markets, but we actually, that with the overall markets, that the topping action through here, this market's continued up from here as well too, guys. I do see we're likely to start see. We're likely to start to see some more downside, but we need that confirmation first. And once again, guys, what is that confirmation? Just to reiterate for you guys, the confirmation I'm looking for is if it opens tomorrow and we have a nice drop down and we get a nice close below this low through here, and we do get an increase in volume. Now, where is that increase in volume? Where does that come from? That comes from the... Oh, obviously it comes from the actual markets, right? So you can see the Dow Jones here, pretty much nothing there with the volume. And the S&P, pretty much nothing day with the S&P. But if we get a drop down through there, that'll be quite nice to take this thing. I would say take this thing down a bit more. But looking at the SPY, I would be, and also basically the SPY, I'd be looking at that to see what's going to happen through there. So in any event, guys, that's what I'm looking at there. One thing that I do know is I'm going against this overall trend, so we'll see about that. But we'll just see what ends up happening here, guys. But we are starting to peter out here. Peter out means we're starting to really slow down. We're not really getting a lot of big moves over this last month or so. So let's see what happens.